Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some example questions from input and output. So let us start. Now, this is the directions for question number 1 to 3, which is based on one input and output. And based on this, we have a complete input given to us. This is step 5, which is the output, correct? And we have a separate input that we have to find the output for, correct? We discussed the procedure of finding the output in the previous lecture. So let us start with this question. A number arrangement machine, when given an input line of numbers, rearranges them following a particular rule in each step. So in each step, there is a separate rule that is being followed to get an output, correct? So for example, if my input is, let's say it is a number arrangement machine, the input is 35, 42, 82. And the output that I receive when I enter this input in the machine is 7, 6, and 10. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is we have to decode it. So over here, clearly it is 3 plus 4, 4 plus 2, and 8 plus 2. Correct? So if I am given an input, let's say of 16, 14, and 22, and I have to find the output, what will I do? I will decipher this logic. I will use this logic to find the output. So it will be 1 plus 6, 1 plus 4, and 2 plus 2. So the output will be 7, 5, and 4. Correct? So this is how you proceed with input and output questions. Correct? So let us come to this question. The input that is given to us is this number, right? 734269, 825497, and so on. Now in step 1, we have to identify what is the logic that is being used. If I look over here, if I look at this number and at this number, I can clearly see this number is the reverse order of this number, correct? Because this is 734269. This is 962437. So this is simply the reverse order. Let us check for another random number. Let's see this number and this number. In this number, the number is 219354. And this is the reverse order, 453912. So this is simply, step 1 is simply the reverse order of the previous number in the same sequence. So if I have to find out step 1, it will be the same number but in reverse order. So it will be 7436548. Correct? This will be 289547. This will be 485923. This will become 973215. This will become 762459. And this will become 215364. Correct? Simply we have arranged them in reverse order. Moving on to step 2, we have this number 453912, then this number, then this number, and so on. Now if I focus over here, this is 45, 75, 79, 83, 85, and 96. So this is basically increasing order, correct? From the previous step, that is step 1, now I have simply arranged them in increasing order. So step 2 for me will be to arrange them in increasing order. Which is the lowest number? Which is the lowest number? Lowest number is this 21. So the first step will be 215364. Correct? Then this is the second lowest number, 289547. Then we will have this number 485923. Then we will have this number 743658. Then we will have this number 762459. And lastly, we will have this, which is the biggest number, that is 973215. Correct? This is how it will be arranged in step 2. Moving on to step 3. In step 3, I can see 1359 and 24. So if I compare these two numbers, I am comparing these two numbers. 1359 are odd numbers in increasing order, and these are even numbers in increasing order. We have 1, 3, 5, 9, and 2, and then 4. So first, odd numbers are arranged in increasing order, and then even numbers are arranged in increasing order. Let us again check for some random number. Let's say these two numbers. So I can see first odd are arranged in increasing order, then even are arranged. Correct? These are odd numbers and these are even numbers. We have 3, 5, 7 and 4, 6, 8. So basically we have to arrange them. First we have to arrange them in odd and even number. Plus we have to arrange them in increasing order. So first odd numbers in increasing order, then even numbers in increasing order. So we will do the same thing to find out step 3. Correct? So step 3 for this number, let us look at the odd numbers. We have 1, 3, 5. So it will be 1, 3, 5. Correct? This will be 1, 3, 5. And then we will have 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Over here also, let us look at the odd numbers. We have 9, we have 5, we have 7. So first arranging them in increasing order. 5, 7, 9 and then 2, 4, 8. Correct? Moving on to the next numbers, let us look at the odd numbers first. Odd numbers are 3, 5 and 9. So it will be 3, 5, 9 and then we will get 2, 4, 8. Moving on to the next number, we have 7, 3, 5 as odd numbers. So it will be 3, 5, 7 and then we will have 4, 6, 8. Correct? Moving on to these numbers, we have 7, 6, 2, 4, 5, 9. So odd numbers are 7 and 5 and 9. So this will be arranged as 5, 7, 9 and then even numbers will be arranged which will be 2, 4, 6. Similarly, in this step, we have 1, 3, 7, 5, 9. All these are odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and then even number which is 2. So this will be step 3. Correct? Moving on to step 4. Step 4, let us look at these two numbers. Okay? Step 4. The first number is 3. If I multiply 3 and 1, will I get 3? Yes. If I multiply 5 and 9, will I get 45? Yes. And if I multiply 2 and 4, I will get 8. So this is basically multiplication of immediate digits, or I can say multiplication of digits. Multiplication of digits. This is the logic that is being used in step 4. So let us check for another random number. Let us take these two numbers. If I multiply 3 and 7, I will get 21. Correct? I'll get 21. If I multiply 9 and 2, I'll get 18. Correct? And if I multiply 4 and 6, I will get 24. So this is basically multiplication of adjacent digits. So I will get my step 4 using this logic. Step 4 will be according to this logic. So in step 4, we have multiplication of digits. So 1 into 3 will give me 3, 5 into 2 will give me 10, and 4 into 6 will give me 24. Correct? Similarly, 5 into 7 will give me 35, 9 into 2 will give me 18, and 4 8 is how much? 32. Correct? 3 into 5, 15, 9 into 2, 18, 4 8 32. 3 into 5, 15, 7 4s are 28 and 6 8s is 48. 5 into 7, 35, 9 into 2, 18 and 4 into 6 will give me 24. Correct? 1 into 3 will give me 3, 5 into 7 will give me 35 and 9 into 2 will give me 18. So this will be my step 4. Okay? Moving on to step number 5. Step number 5, if I take any random number, let us take these numbers, okay? So what is the relationship between step 5 and step 4? If I add these digits, 3 plus 3 will give me 6, 6 plus 5 will give me 11, 11 plus 5 will give me 16, and 16 plus 4 will give me 20. So basically this is sum of the digits, correct? This is sum of the digits. Let us check another random number. Let us take these numbers. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 0, 0, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So this is sum of numbers. So if I have to find out step 5, step 5 is the last step. I have to basically sum these numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 2, 6 and 6 plus 4, 10. 3 plus 5 is how much? 8 plus 1, 9. Correct? 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 3, 20 and 20 plus 2 will give me 22. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 2, 20. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. And 20 plus 8 is 28. Over here, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, and 19 plus 4 will give me 23. Moving forward, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, and 12 plus 8 will give me 20. So this will be my step 5, which is the last step. This will be my last step, correct? This will be my last step. So this is the arrangement. This is the arrangement, okay? Now, based on this arrangement, we have certain questions, so let us look at them. Question number 1, which of the following number is third from right in step 5? So first we have to find out step 5 and then third from right. So going back to the arrangement, this is the right side, correct? This is the right side and this is the left side. If I have to find out third from right in step 5, it will be 1, 2 and 3, which is 28. Coming to the options, we have option number 5, none of these, because the answer is 28. That will be my answer. Okay. Example number 2. What will come when the number which is second from right in step 4 is divided by the number which is second from left in final step? So final step is the fifth step, correct? Final step is fifth step. So basically we have to divide the number second from right in fourth step, correct? In fourth step or step 4, you can say in step 4, we have to divide this number by second from left in step 5. This is the operation that we have to perform, correct? So first let us look at second from right in step 4. This is your right, this is your left. So second from right in step 4 is this number, correct? Second from right in step 4 is this number, which is 351824, correct? 351824. This is the number second from right in step 4. Then we have to look at second from left in step 5. So going back to the arrangement, second from left in step 5 is 22, correct? It is 22. So we have to divide these two numbers. We have to divide this by 22. Okay, so now let us divide this by 2 first. This will be 11. This will be how much? 1. Then 1 will be over here. So 7 times 14. 1 will be over here. 5 times 10. 1 will be over here. 9. Then 1 and 2. So this is 175912 by 11. So let us use the long division method. So 175912 we have to divide by 11. So 1 times will give me 11, correct? How much will I get? 6 and 5. Then 5 times will give me 55. Correct? I will get 10. 9 will be carried. 9 times will give me 99. Again 0. 10 will be carried. I will carry 1. Again 9 times will give me 99. So this time how much will I remain? This time we will get, this will be 9, this will be 11. So we will get 2. And if I bring back 2, I will get 2. So on dividing second from right in step 4 by second from left in step 5, this is what I'm getting. I'm getting 15992. This is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Okay. Coming to example number 3. Example number 3, we have to find the sum now of second number from left in step 2 and fourth number from right in step 3. So going back to the arrangement, this is the right side and this is the left side. So the first thing we have to find is second number from left in step 2. So step 2 is this one. Second from left will be this. 289547. Correct? This will be the second number from left in step 2. 289547. And we have to add this with which number? Fourth number from right in step 3. So this is step 3. Fourth number from right will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be fourth number from right, which is 359248. And now what we have to do, we have to sum these numbers together. So 8 plus 7 will give me how much? 15. 1 will be carried. This will be 9. 7, 8. 1 will be carried. This will be how much? 14. And this will be 6. So I will get 6, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5 on summation. So 6, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5 is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay? Okay. Moving on to question number 4 to 8. So, similar kind of directions are given to us. A number arrangement machine, when given an input of words, rearrange them following a particular rule. In each step, the following is an illustration of input and steps of rearrangement. So, basically, this is the input based on which we get step 5, which is the output. Correct? We have to find the input for this one. We have to find the output for this particular input. Okay, we have to find the output for this particular input. So what we will do, we will first find the logic in this illustration, in this particular arrangement. First we will find the logic, and based on the same logic we will find the output of this input. Correct? So let us look over here. Input is 98 byte 102 legal 88 54 mango 21 cool and zinc. This is your input. Okay. Now let us look at step 1. We have byte 98. So this number is additional. Sorry, this word is additional. This has changed position. 98 legal 88 54 mango 21 cool zinc, and here we have introduced a number. Correct? Here we have introduced a number, and here we have introduced a word. If I move to step 2, here I can see a word being introduced, and here again I can see a number being introduced. Now, is there a pattern? Yes, because if you look at step 5, these are all the words, correct? And these are all the numbers. The worst words are arranged in, for words, they are arranged in decreasing alphabetical order. Decreasing alphabetical order. Correct? With each step, we take a word towards the left, and it is arranged in decreasing alphabetical order from, you can say, left to right. From left to right. Correct? And what is happening with the numbers? With the numbers, the same thing is happening. They are arranged in decreasing order from left to right. Correct? Decreasing order from left to right. So with each step, we are taking a word to the left and a number to the right. This is your left and this is your right. So with each step, we are taking a word to the left and a number to the right. So we will do the same thing for this input. Correct? We will do the same thing for this input until and unless we get an arrangement like this. Okay? So let us start with step 1. So the first thing we have to look is at the smallest number. Correct? If I give them forward ranks, do you remember forward ranks? A is 1, this is 4. This is 18, this is 7, and this is 11. Correct? So, the first word will be is. And if I look at the number, which is the largest number? The largest number is 87, so it will come on the outside. And the rest of the arrangement will remain the same. So it will be kite, 19, 54, give, 31, write, 72, and dream. This will remain the same. Okay, only one word and one number is changed position. What will be the step 2? Step 2, we will do the same thing. We will look at the next word, which is next in number will be dream. Correct? And the next big number will be 72. So we will get dream and 72 over here. And the rest of the arrangement will remain the same. So it will be ace, kite, 19, 54, give, 31, write, and 87. Correct? Moving on to step number 3. If I move on to step number 3, we will look at the next big number, which will be give. Correct? It will be give. Next big word alphabetically. And the next big number will be 54. So these two will change position. Rest everything will remain the same. So the first one will be give and the last one will be 54. Correct? So it will become give, dream, ace, kite, 19, 31, right, 87 and 72. Correct? This will be the arrangement. Moving forward to step number 4. Step 4. Now step 4 also we will look at the next big word after give. So alphabetically the next word will be K and in numerics the next big number will be 31. So these two will change positions. So we will get kite over here and we will get 31 over here. The rest of the arrangement will remain the same. So it will be give, dream, ace, 19, right, 87 and 72 and 54. This will be the arrangement. Correct? This will be the arrangement. Now we are left with only one word and one number. This is the word that we have not arranged yet and this is the number that we have not arranged yet. So we will do this in step number 5. We will complete this in step number 5. So step number 5, the first word will be right. Correct? Then same arrangement, kite, give, dream, ace. Then we will take 19 to the outside. So the arrangement will be 87, 72, 54, 31 and then 19. Step 5 will be the final step. It will be the final output. Because if you see the words are arranged in decreasing alphabetical order from left to right and the numbers are also arranged in decreasing order from left to right. Correct? This will be the output. Okay. Now, based on this output, we have certain questions. Let us look at them. Question number 4, example number 4 says, in step 3, what is the position of ace from the left end? So, we have to first look at step number 3 and find the position of ace from left. So, moving to the arrangement. Step 3 is this one. Step 3, we have to look at the position of ace from left. So, from left it is 1, 2 and 3. So, from left, the position of ace is third from the left. This is third from the left. Third from the left. So, third from the left will be option number 1 will be the correct answer. Okay? Option number 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Example number 5 says, in step 5, how many letters or numbers are there between dream and 72? So we have to look at step 5 and find out how many elements. Basically, letters and numbers means elements. How many elements are there between dream and 72? So let us look at the arrangement. This is the arrangement, right? So step 5, between dream and 72. How many elements are there? 1 and 2. So there are in totality 2 elements between dream and 72. So 2 elements is given in option number 2. This will be the answer. Okay. Moving forward to example number 6. We have to find out this particular arrangement. Kite, give, dream, ace, right, and so on will be in which of the following step. We have to find out this. Okay. So if I look over here, A, D, G, K, this is arranged correctly and this is also arranged correctly. Only this particular word is out of place. It should be over here. Okay. So in each step, we looked that there were at least 2. There was a word plus a number that has to be arranged. In no step, the words were not arranged, but the numbers were arranged. There was no such step. In each step, there were at least 2, a word and a number that needed to be arranged. So if I look at the arrangement, this is starting with kite, correct? So let us look at the arrangement. We have this step, kite, give, dream, ace, but over here, these 2 elements need to be arranged. these two elements need to be arranged. There is no such step where all the numbers are arranged but the words are not arranged, because in each step we were taking a word and a number together. So there is no such step in the given input and output. So answer will be option number 4, that there is no such step. Okay. Example number 7. In step 2, which of the following letter numbers is fifth to the right of kite? So fifth to the right of kite. Let us look at the arrangement. Step 2 is this one and kite is over here. We have to find out fifth to the right of kite. Fifth to the right. So towards the right will means this side, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth to the right of kite will be right. Okay. If I look at the options, we have option number 3, right. Fifth to the right of kite will be right. Option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Example number 8. How many steps would be needed to complete the arrangement? This we have already found out that we needed in total 5 steps. So this was the arrangement. Step 5 was the final step. How did we find out this was the final step? Because in this all the words were arranged in decreasing order from left to right, decreasing alphabetical order. And all the numbers were also arranged in decreasing order. So when we achieved this arrangement, it was considered the final step. So in totality, we needed 5 steps to complete this particular input and output question. So answer will be option number 5, 5. 5 steps would be needed to complete the arrangement. Okay. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.